The delays at the Landlord and Tenant Board has been a topic of great concern for many affected parties for quite some time. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, there were cases where applicants waited for up to 4 months or even longer for a hearing date. According to a press release earlier this year, an investigation was supposed to have been launched into the serious delays at the LTB. Well, until such time as an investigation is completed, new adjudicators appointed, and additional changes made, there are those who feel that they have been left without a remedy. This feeling is even more pervasive given the current suspension of all in person hearings. Following the LTB's news release on March 19th, hearings for matters not related to evictions were expected to proceed by telephone or in writing. Yes, there have been telephone hearings since that announcement, but the question remains, how many of these hearings were non urgent and related to applications filed prior to the pandemic? Those applications would still be awaiting a hearing date. Although it is clear, or although we all know, that one of the major contributory factors to the delays is the lack of sufficient adjudicators, one major issue is also the number of applications filed by both landlords and tenants that end up only creating further delays. It is crucial for the public to note that paralegals provide a very meaningful role in assisting with landlord and tenant matters. Before you file that application, consult with a paralegal. In fact, you may end up not even requiring a hearing following your consultation. And this will provide a little bit of help in terms of these delays. It may not be significant, but it does help. Some LTB matters are resolved through settlement agreements, and this has been increasingly the case since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. So do not end up being that landlord or tenant awaiting a hearing for several months only to be told at the hearing that there are deficiencies with the documents filed and the matter cannot proceed as originally intended. So do your part in helping your matter get resolved efficiently by utilizing the services of a paralegal. This may also help to reduce the delays at the LTB. So please call a licensed paralegal today.